I'm gonna take this gentleman. I'm gonna demonstrate a 5-on-5 step. A 5-on-5 step is pretty much I have him lean forward, and I would take pretty much close to the palm of my fist, and I would give him 5 thumps on the back between his shoulder blades. I'm not going to hit him, but pretty much I'm gonna show you where. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would help get. That would help get. So that would pretty much help get whatever is stuck in the shoulder out of the shoulder. And if you can't do it, you follow the same steps. So when performing the Heimlich, you would perform the same basic steps when your average adult or anyone that's 1 year or older. So I'm about to show you the actual Heimlich. So I would take my hand and wrap it around his waist, and I will take my right hand and ball up in a fist. And I would take my thumb and I would try to find his belly button. So, okay, that's his belly button. And I would take my closed fist, the knuckle with my thumb, and place it right above the belly button to the bottom half of his rib cage. I would take my left hand and cover the ball fist. So I would take that fist, I would thrust, I would push in and upward at the same time. I have to do it quick, just like that. So pretty much, so that's how you do the Heimlich on a 1 year old or older. So anyone that's 1 year old or older, that's what you do. That's how you perform the Heimlich. Pretty much, the Heimlich can harm a fetus. So when performing a pregnant woman, you would place your hands pretty much. You will place your hands at the bottom of her breastbone, pretty much right here in the middle, right by the lower rib cage. And then for a beach person, and you will take your hand covered and you thrust in and up. And you will do that at the same time. If you can't get that object out their throat, you will follow the same. You will follow the same steps. And this one is totally different for you will do the same with a beach person, but you will go between the breastbone. Any of these persons, you will do it between the breastbone. So instead of doing it right above the rib cage, right below the breastbone, you would do it right in the middle. Right. And you take your hand covered, and you go. No. And pretty much the object of the Heimlich is to get whatever is stuck in their throat out. And you pretty much you're not touching the rib. You are right below it, right here, right below it. This is your rib right here, and you will be right in the middle. So you can pretty much feel it. If you feel your stomach going in, that's how you know you're in the right spot. And you have to be on the lookout for babies. You would do a different procedure. Thank y'all for and it's a different method with babies. I'm gonna show you a demonstration of how to do a Heimlich with baby. It's totally different. You can do it either standing up or you can do it sitting down. For the baby, you will hold the baby with the palm of your hand on its back. Not you don't want your fingers. You want stability. You want to make sure you have stability with the baby. And so you're going to take either depending on the leg, pretty much your leg is for stability, and you want the baby facing down because you want the object coming out. So what you do, what you do with the baby is you're gonna give how would you do for a human? I give you pretty much you go in and up, same 5-step method, boom, on the back, and it's pretty much similar to how you would do the baby. All right, you will give it 5 thumps, not hard thumps, 5 thumps in the back, his or her back. Pretty much with the baby, I feel like you should pretty much do it with your hand. You don't, if you heavy fisted, it might. So I'm gonna show you another method as far as with the baby. Also, there's 2 ways you can do it. In this situation, you would have the baby face up. You would take 2 fingers and you would place it right below the baby's rib cage. And you would take them 2 fingers and you would thrust. I did with the I did the situation with him. I took 2 fingers and I put it right below the baby's either stomach or rib cage. And I would take those 2 fingers and push in and up 5 times quickly to try to help get the object out. You don't want to do it too hard, but you want to do it enough where the object will come out. So if the object didn't cough out the baby's mouth, you would continue doing the same steps. And if you find yourself choking, you can do the same steps to yourself. You will perform the same basic steps as I did. If that doesn't help you, you can lean over a table or a chair or even a couch. You want something that's like tall enough where you pretty much want stability. Like a chair like this is stability, or even like a counter or stand. If any of these situations, the person may become unconscious at some point. At this point, you should begin CPR. You only do it if they are unconscious. And that's another demonstration for another day. Always pressing up quickly. This is not a skill that you can take for granted. Every moment that the brain is without oxygen pretty much can cause brain death. If you don't know, if you don't know your basic first aid, we have so many places that offer it. Red Red Cross offer it. Even your local police and fire stations also first aid and CPR. environment, and I hope that this has enlightened some of you, and now you won't be terrified. So if anyone is choking, you pretty much will know this life method. So if you have now, I hope you guys have confidence